Hello everyone, thank you for watching Fofolicious Food Bites. I'm so overwhelmed by all your comments and compliments every week, and I'm super excited every time I got a new subscriber. So what are you waiting for? Don't just watch, please subscribe and make me more excited. Watch out for more delicious, easy, simple, healthy recipes from Fofolicious Food Bites. Today I would like to show you how blessed I am with this goodness. Yes, my juicy sweet oranges. Some are small and extremely sweet like sugar, and some of the oranges are big and juicy, and you can just pluck some by stretching out your hand. Awesome! The journey of this orange tree started about 30 years ago. Until date, I'm still privileged to enjoy its fruits. Once I harvest the oranges, I share it with everyone around me, far or near. Even the security men in my estate, family and friends enjoy this goodness I harvest so much every year. As you can see, I use my juicer, and at times I just squeeze the orange with the manual hand squeezer and pour the juice into my jar with all the pulps and more orange slices. Then put some in the bottle, refrigerate, and enjoy with my meal anytime I like. So fresh, filled with healthy vitamins and nutrients. Please let me know the fruits you enjoy. Cheers! Thank you.